Hello, I hope you all are doing well. Today I am Nishtha Jain and we'll be making abstract using oil pastels. So this is how it looks. So here we go. So first of all, in order to make this abstract, you need to know that drawing doesn't matter, but what matters is our coloring, the way we do the coloring using the oil pastels. So the material required for today will be the sheet, then you need scale, pencil and you need oil pastels. So for the first step you need to make the borders around the sheet. That is we always do during drawing classes, that we always have to make the borders. So coming to the drawing, you just have to make these patterns. So these are very simple curves which you need to draw on your sheet. Then starting from the bottom, I'm going a little curved from here and curved from here again, right, like this. Again you need to start from the bottom, making a curve from the top and like this. Then coming to the last curve, and here you need to make these C-shaped things. So this is the simple drawing for the sheet which you need to do. Now let's start with the coloring part. So for the first curve we are going to do three colors, which is light blue, then we need light green and we need lemon yellow. So these are the three colors you need for the first curve. So starting with the first curve, first of all you need to do the outlining of the curve. Now after completing the first outlining, you have to start with the green color, and for the green color I am starting from here, not from the ending, and I'll do it till here only. Again I am starting with the blue color, starting from the bottom, and I'll be covering this green part till the end. So whenever you're doing the next color, make sure that it is mixing up these white things of the next color. Also there is no white spaces left. Even if there are white spaces left, mix it with your finger like this, rub it like this, or either do the color on the top of it, right? Also the color has to be done very dark in order to make it beautiful, right? Now when I'm done till here, I'll be starting doing the yellow color, mixing up a little white spaces of blue. I'm doing yellow color only over these curves right here. Now after doing this yellow color, and I'm again doing a little bit of green right here. After doing the green, I'll be following up with the blue color. After doing this, even if you're left with some space, even if you're not left with the space, you just leave it like that. Or if you are, just continue doing the colors in the similar manner you used to. For the next curve, you need to have dark blue, you need to have violet, and also you need to have again light blue color. So these are the three colors you need for the next curve. So starting with the coloring, you just need to you need to outline this whole curve and this curve with the blue color. After doing this color, you have to again start with blue and you have to outline the same thing with the blue color again. So it has to be only done at some places, so make sure you're mentioning those places correctly with the colors. Each time you're doing the next color, make sure you are mixing up the previous one. After doing this color, you have to do the purple color, that is the violet. Purple is a little lighter shade and you have to do violet color right here. So each time you're doing the colors, make sure they are very prettily done and there is no white space left whenever you're doing any of the colors. After doing the violet, you need to start with again light blue. On the top and here as well. Again go with dark blue. So you have to follow the similar pattern doing these three colors for the whole sheet. After doing it till here, now what you have to do is you need to do the next colors. For the next colors you need yellow, you need green, you need orange and you need red. So these are the four colors you need for the next curve. Now for the next curve, first of all you need to do yellow color. Make sure you're mixing the edges of the previous color. After doing yellow, you need to do orange and make sure that you're doing it very beautifully and it is at the same places the way I'm doing. See, I'm mixing the yellow and orange at the same time. See, there is some mix right here. Now after doing orange, you have to continue doing with the green color and this layer of green color has to be a little thicker than the previous two of them. After doing the green, I am doing the red color and it is only to be done on the top. And for the curve which is right here, it has to be done on the whole curve. Make sure you're doing it very dark and there's not much mixing of red and green. After doing this, you have to start doing the similar colors like yellow, orange, green, red. Yellow, orange, green, red. So this should be the pattern for all the colors. After following the same steps for the whole pattern, let's do the next pattern. For the next one, you would need red color, orange color, and you will also need violet color. So these are the three colors you would need for the next pattern. So first of all, you have to start doing with the red color only on one side. Make sure you're following the steps for this layer because only on one side and half of it for the other side. Half of it. First I'm just doing the simple one and then I'll outline it a little. Now after doing red, you need to do yellow on this side and right here as well. So I'm just doing it in a simple way. I'll darken it afterwards like this. After doing this, you have to do orange color. After doing orange, you have to do purple. that is violet color rather, and here it has to be done on the opposite side like this. Yellow again. Now you have to follow the same steps, that is yellow, orange, red for the whole pattern which is left. Now after doing this, for the next curve you need to have light blue and dark blue, and both the colors are to be done alternatively. First of all, you need to do the dark blue. After doing dark blue, you have to do light blue, and this whole has to be done through the whole curve right here. So this has to be done in the whole curve. So it has to be done like this, like blue, light blue, then dark blue and light blue in the common way, right? Now after doing this, now after doing this, you have to do for the next curve you have to do light green and you have to do dark green. So the mix of two colors as we've done with the blue and dark blue. So first of all, we'll be doing dark green. During the class we've done green and yellow. So here I'm using the other colors. So you have to do the similar thing on the top as well. So after doing this, for finalizing, you'll see that there are certain white spaces. Just rub it with your finger in order to make them smooth, or you can even use cotton for that. Make sure there are no white spaces in your drawing. And yeah, this is it. I hope you like it, and make sure you send the pictures. Thank you so much.